Example 3, solve each equation round to the nearest thousandth. So I see an exponential with a base e, and so what we're going to do to get rid of a base e, we're going to do a log base e. That's the natural log. So natural log of both sides, log base e of both sides. Natural log of e to the absolute value of x is going to cancel out and leave me with just that exponent, absolute value of x. So absolute value of x equals natural log of 50. So since it's absolute value, we would know there's going to be a positive answer and a negative answer. So x is going to equal plus or minus 3.912. Next problem looks kind of complicated because we've got several different powers of e, so we're going to need to combine them using our properties. So remember, when you multiply powers, you add the exponents. 2 plus 4 is 6. So that's the property we're going to use here when we multiply powers of e. You're going to add those exponents, so 4x plus x minus 1 is going to be 5x minus 1. We just added the exponents, so we combined like terms. So e to the 5x minus 1 equals 5e. Now, if you want to get rid of that base e, I think the easiest thing to do at this point is take a natural log of both sides. So natural log base e to the 5x minus 1 equals natural log of 5e. The natural log of the e is going to cancel out and leave me that exponent, 5x minus 1, on the left side, but on the right side, it doesn't cancel out and give me 5. It's going to do something else. So we've got to remember our properties. The property that says when we multiply that 5 times e, we could split this into two logarithms, natural log of 5 plus natural log of e. So you should probably just know what the natural log of e is. Natural log of e to the first power, it's going to be 1. Okay, so think about y. If that had an exponent of 1 right there, your natural log and your e will cancel out and leave you with just 1. So we're going to have natural log of 5 plus 1. So of course we get 2.609. We have 1.609 plus 1 is 2.609. 5x minus 1 equals that, and now it's just a simple solve. We're going to do our normal algebra operations. Add the 1 over, divide by 5, so 3.609, and I'm leaving this in the calculator so I don't have to round. Divide by 5, 0.722. X is approximately 0.722. Number 4. E to the 2x minus 6 times e to the x plus 5. Now, hopefully you recognize that this kind of looks like a regular, easy trinomial problem. So what we're going to do here is a substitution where we're going to let e to the x equal u. We've done this before, but that way e to the 2x would equal u squared, minus 6 e to the x would be u, plus 5 equals 0. So this is just going to be something we'd factor the way we always factor. Need two numbers to multiply to 5 and add up to negative 6. That's minus 1 and minus 5. So those u solutions, u equals 1 and u equals 5. But let's go back and do reverse our substitution again. U was equal to e to the x. So e to the x equals 1, or e to the x equals 5. We can solve either one of those by taking a natural log of both sides. X equals natural log of 1. which is 0, or natural log of this side, natural log, we'd get x equals natural log of 5, 1.609. So if we were given the exact answers, we would say x is the set of 0 and natural log of 5. But since they said round to the nearest thousandth, we'll say x is approximately 0 and 1.609.